In this video, we will discuss about anaerobic respiration. You know that the respiration divided into two types on the basis of respiratory substrate. If the respiratory substrate will be carbohydrate or fat, the respiration is known as a floating respiration. And if the respiratory substrate will be a protein, then respiration is known as protoplasmic respiration. On the basis of whether oxygen is present or not for the oxidation of this respiratory substrate, then respiration is divided into two types. One is aerobic respiration and another one is anaerobic respiration. What happened in the aerobic respiration? In the aerobic respiration, glycolysis process takes place. After the glycolysis process, glucose broken down and form two pyruvic acid molecules. These pyruvic acid molecules enter into the Krebs cycle and form coenzyme. These coenzymes again enter into the ETC cycle, or simultaneously it enter into the ETC cycle, means electron transport chain, and this coenzyme produces a large amount of energy, means ATP molecules. But what happened in case of anaerobic respiration? Anaerobic respiration takes place into the cytoplasm. Anaerobic respiration generally takes place into the cytoplasm. It takes place into cytoplasm. This is a metabolic process. This is a metabolic process. This is metabolic process. Anaerobic respiration takes place into those cells which do not possess mitochondria. So it takes place only into the cytoplasm. If mitochondria will be there, then the pyruvic acid molecules which are formed into the glycolysis. Glycolysis is the process which takes place in aerobic respiration as well as in anaerobic respiration. Means glycolysis takes place in the presence of oxygen or in the absence of oxygen also. So it is anaerobic process also. This pyruvic acid were formed after the glycolysis will be enter into the Krebs cycle, and Krebs cycle occur into the mitochondria. But in these cells, mitochondria absence. So this pyruvic acid remain as it is into the cytoplasm. This remain as it is into the cytoplasm. So what happened here? When glucose molecule broken down into the pyruvic acid molecule, this is a 6 carbon compound and this is a 3 carbon compound. So two molecules produces after the process of glycolysis. In this process, what happened? Two ATP molecules generated, means two ATP molecules synthesized, and into the aerobic respiration, aerobic respiration, NADH2 molecules are after ETS process gives 3 ATP molecules. But ETS is process which takes place after the Krebs cycle. Here the NADH2 H plus molecules are formed, but these molecules cannot take place or they cannot move to the ETS cycle, because ETS cycle occur into the inner membrane of mitochondria. In anaerobic respiration, mitochondria is absent, so it cannot go for the ETS cycle. This also remain as it is here. This pyruvic acid molecule this pyruvic acid molecule depend on the cells, means which cells do not having mitochondria. In animal cell also, some cells do not having a mitochondria, means in some cells of animal anaerobic respiration takes place. Which cells are those? Those cells are present into the retina, those cells are present into the brain, those cells are present into the skeleton muscles, those cells are present into the sperm, and those cells are also present into the cardiac muscle and into the RBCs also. These cells, the cells which are present in this do not having a mitochondria. So, depended on the cell, if the cells is muscle cell, then what happened? This pyruvic acid are reduced and form a lactic acid. The mitochondria is not present also in a bacterial cell. So, into the bacterial cell also a lactic acid formation takes place. When lactic acid formation takes place, this process is known as lactic acid fermentation. This process is known as lactic acid fermentation. In muscle cell, what happened? This pyruvic acid molecule is a 3-carbon molecule, and this lactic acid also a 3-carbon molecule. So, there is no any CO2 goes outside or eliminate from the process. So, no any decarboxylation takes place here. But what happened? The NADH plus H plus produces into the glycolysis. NADH plus H plus which produces into the glycolysis that oxidized and form NAD plus molecule. This NAD plus molecule again goes into the glycolysis process because these all are occur into the cytoplasm. So this NAD plus molecule which again goes, or this coenzyme again goes into the glycolysis for the formation of NADH plus H plus. If this pyruvic acid formation takes place into the yeast cell, what happened? Pyruvic acid reduced into the acetaldehyde. This reduced into a acetaldehyde. This acetaldehyde is a 2-carbon compound. So 3 carbon and 2 carbon means 1 carbon dioxide molecule or 1 carbon dioxide is released from this process. So decarboxylation takes place here. This acetaldehyde again reduce and form ethyl alcohol. This is known as alcoholic fermentation. This process is known as alcoholic fermentation. In this process, NADH plus H plus reoxidized or oxidized and form NAD plus. This NAD plus goes into a glycolysis process and form NADH plus H plus again. In this whole process, we will understand that there is formation of only 2 ATP molecules. In this fermentation process, there is not the formation of ATP, means there is no energy production takes place. So whole anaerobic process, there is only 2 ATP molecules are formed. In whole anaerobic process, again I tell you, in whole anaerobic process, only 2 ATP molecules are formed. In the fermentation, no energy generated or no ATP molecules are formed. So this is the hazardous process. In the animal cells, when lactic acid accumulated into the cell, means lactic acid when stored into the cell, there will be a problem of fatigue, there will be a problem of swelling into the cell. And into the yeast cell, when alcohol will be increases, yeast cells will be a die automatically. So you will be understand this anaerobic process. The next video will be on the Krebs cycle.